Okay, we are going to brief once again. So basically in back-to-back drawing, we have to prepare two members team and the same pair sit in a back-to-back condition or a situation, right? So that means the posture should be in back-to-back. No one can face, right, to each other. And one student should be a drawer and other student should be a instructor. So instructor will thought one object in their mind, okay, and after that he or she will give the instructions step by step for the same object. That means instructor can give the instructions step by step of whatever object he thought in the mind, right? And drawer can follow all these instructions, and by following all the instructions or steps, drawer can make the same object and try to make the same object. Maybe it is same or may not be, right? And at the end of the process, drawer will show the object to the instructor. Is that the same object, whatever you have thought in the mind? So instructor can give the answer. If it is same, then instructor can give the answer yes. And if it is not the same object, then instructor will give the answer no. And if the object is same, then team will get the points. And if the object is not same, then team will lose the points. So by the help of this activity, we can enhance the communication skill between the team members during the championship. That's why we are learning the same activity for our main championship. Okay. If our communication skills or understanding skills are strong within the team, each team member can easily catch the orders during the competition. So we have more opportunity to gain or to win the championship, right? That's why we are learning the same activity. Now we are moving forward and we will discuss the last activity of our team building, that is third activity, and we can say that the activity name is cup stacking. And what is the goal to achieve or to learn this cup stacking activity? By the help of this, we can learn how we can work together, correct? And what are the materials are required to do this activity? We need some glasses, thread and rubber, so that we can perform this activity. We can perform this activity within the team, right? And what are the way to play this activity? So way is very simple. Both student will use thread and prepare a stack of the glass. Student cannot use their hands for making that stack. Whose team stack is high, those are winners, and whose team stack is small as comparison to the other team, those are losers, right? So basically it's a very simple and very funny activity. And by the help of this activity, we can easily enhance our skill, like how we can do work together in a team. And for more clarity, again, I will show you one video so that you can easily grab the things, like how we can perform this activity in front of our judges. So just give me 1 minute. Again, you have to allow me some time. I hope it is visible now. Is it visible, students? You can unmute and please tell me. Okay, okay. Yes, you can see now. This is the thread in, and in between the thread we have a one rubber, and we need to prepare a stack. So all the glasses should be in that condition, and then one team member will use the threads at the one end of the rubber, and other team member will use the thread at the another end of the rubber. And now, without using hands, they can grab the glass like this, and then they have to prepare the stack in this way. And whose team stack is large or big, that team will be the winner. They need to be very careful for their stack. Like this, we can easily prepare our stack. We can perform this activity with 4 team members or 3 team members or 2 team members. It is completely up to us. We can use the same quantity thread with the rubber. Whatever team members in our team. Like this. I hope this activity is clear to you, and I hope all the activity is clear to you. If you have any query regarding all the activities, you can discuss. And if you have any other query related to core values or models or skit presentation or team building exercise, you can discuss and you can unmute yourself. One more thing you have to keep in your mind. I taught you 3 team building exercises. You can pick any 2, whatever you want to present in the front of the judges at the time of competition day. These team building exercises are completely related to only innovation junction category. So simply, if we are going to participate in innovation junction category and we are preparing one model, so we have to present 3 things: our model by the help of skit, second core value poster, and third one is 2 team building exercises in the front of judges. So this is the complete criteria for innovation junction category. And for example, if any school is having 2 teams in the innovation junction category, so each team should present their own model, own core value, and own team building exercises separately. Only one core value chart is not applicable for both the teams. Only single team can present their single core value chart. Now you can ask your queries. Yes, please. You have any query or everything is clear? Everything is clear, students? GS Modern Mahima School. Okay. You can unmute yourself. Now you can unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you all.